Hi there, my name is Nathan and I'm a native English speaker. I've been teaching English for well over 10 years. During that time, I've taught students from grade 1 all the way to grade 12 and adult students. My classes are always fun, interesting and engaging, not to mention very effective. No matter how you would like to improve your English, I will be able to accommodate you in that regard, and I will be able to design lessons specifically to meet your needs. What do you think of that song, the little bit that you heard, the excerpt? Do you like it? Does it sound good to you?
Yes, it does.
Okay, and how does it make you feel when you hear that kind of music?
It makes me feel happy or like it's a very upbeat song.
Okay, fantastic. That's a very good answer. Now, as we go through the lesson, if you have any questions at any time, you're welcome to ask me, okay? Okay, so
Okay,
let's
thank
let's
you.
start. You're welcome. So let's take a look over here. We're going to read a very short article, but before we read the article, we're just going to take a look at some of the vocabulary. So could you read number 1 and match it to its definition on the from the column on the right?
Okay. Number one is superstar.
Hmm.
Um, Number D, I think.
Correct. A very, very, very famous or successful singer, actor, or sports player. What about number 2?
Artist.
Hmm.
Mm, a person who practices or performs things such as a singer, sculptor, filmmaker, actor, or dancer.
Excellent. You're doing very well so far. What about number 3? Let's take a look over here at the article or the text. Could you read the first paragraph, please?
The singer songwriter Taylor Swift is the first artist to win Best Album at the Grammys 4 times. Miss Swift made history with her album Midnights. She has overtaken legends like Stevie Wonder. In her speech, she said, "I would love to tell you that this is the best moment of my life, but I feel this happy when I finish a song or when I'm rehearsing with my dancers." She added, "All I want to do is this. I love it so much. It makes me so happy."
I hope to hear from you soon, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video.